Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. This is a mirror that I put together, that I made. If you want to know how, just hang on, hang around. Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. Just hang on. These are the materials that I needed to make my mirror piece with. I needed mirrors like these. I used 4 mirrors. 1, 2, 3, 4. The only difference was that the perimeter of the mirror was gold, and that's the ones I use. These are black, but I'm going to try to use the black ones in a new DIY project. Okay, so I bought 2 of these little picture frames to use. 1, 2. I needed scissors. I needed my E6000 glue. I also needed my hot glue. I used these sticks here, craft sticks, and I used these. Now, most of this stuff is from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree. These mirrors, Dollar Tree. These mirrors are also from the Dollar Tree. And these bling stickers here are from Michaels. The craft sticks are from Michaels. The E6000 glue is from Michaels. And what I did was I just put the mirror together. Of course, I took the paper edges off. This is just for storing when they decide they want to store it. So this is for storing and packaging to keep it from breaking. So I bought 4 of these mirrors, and I took the packaging off. I glued the 4 mirrors together with my E6000 glue. I didn't use the my glue stick, my hot glue stick yet, but I did use a hot glue stick on the back of the mirrors, okay, to give it some kind of permanency. Not right away, but right when I first started the project. All right, so I glued all my mirrors together, and then I had one of these by itself, and I took that and I put it in on a triangle on the 4 mirrors. I went from corner to corner to corner to corner with that. Then I said, well, okay, let me try the picture frame, the photo frame mirrors. So I put that up at the top. I used my E6000 glue. I put one at the bottom. And then as an afterthought, I put these decorative blings on each one, each side. See that? I put 6 of those on here. Okay, and then on the back of my mirror, let me just turn it around just so you could see. I put these sticks, I popped them in half and put them there just to hold the mirror. Now what I'm going to do in order to hang this mirror up, I am going to get some of the, what do they call that? I'm going to get some of that command strips. I'm sorry, the command strips. I'm going to put the command strips on the back and on the wall so that it doesn't make holes in the wall, and I'll be able to hold my mirror up. It's pretty light. It's not heavy at all, but for the mirror's sake, I would just want to make sure that the mirror would hold once I hang it up. That's why I'm going to just get the command strips and put that on. I don't have them yet. I just have them laying in this room waiting and even drying some more. Now this thing, I made this before I went on vacation, and so it's really dry, but I'm going to reinforce these. I didn't put anything on these bling here, and that's this bling stickers. I didn't put anything on there to reinforce that, so I'm going to put some E6000 glue on that just to reinforce it. And then it'll be good to go, ready to hang up. All right. So, yeah, so this is the mirror that I made. And once I hang it up, I'll show you how I hung it up. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. This was a simple project. It's very easy to do. And this one I'm going to put together. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the middle. How does that look? Let's see. How does that look in the middle of that? And then I'm going to hang that one up. I don't know if I'm going to embellish it with any bling on the side, but this is the black one. It looks pretty plain, but I don't know. And of course, you know I have to take these off. All right, so let me know what you think about this one. I think it looks pretty cute. Oh, God, if you look in it, I think it doesn't look bad. Tell me what you think about this one, okay? And, I mean, it's not a prize package, but I think it looks cute. It looks pretty good. I'm going to hang this one up probably in this room if I can find somewhere to hang it up. And, okay, over here I have my little La Loopsy dolls. I moved them in this room because I had company. Little girls were here, and they wanted my dolls, and I was not giving them up. But up here, you see I have all of these oatmeal boxes. What I'm going to do with those is I'm going to decorate those oatmeal boxes, and I'm going to use them during Christmas time, and I'm going to stack presents down in it for my grandkids. You know, I got all them grandkids. I have 17, so I'm going to store presents in it. Even if, like, for the big ones, I just put pajamas and slippers in there. That's what I'll do. These are big boxes of oatmeal that we did have. So, yeah. These are one of my bookcases here. I have books everywhere. This is just one of the bookcases. Look at all these books. And a lot of them I need to get rid of, but they're my education books, and I really don't want to throw them away. My husband's I told you what he said, to get rid of stuff. I don't think so, buddy. All right. So, anyway, guys, yeah, these are the mirrors that I made. I'm proud of them. And let me know what you think. All right, so this was a DIY project that I saw online from one of the fantastic DIY people that make stuff. And this is very inexpensive because if you look at this was $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. Now that cost me $7 to make, and plus these little decorative blings here. It was very inexpensive. All right, so you can do them yourself. All right, but this was a simple one. All right, okay, guys, thank you for joining me again. Remember, have fun shopping. Now I'm gonna say have fun crafting, because a lot of these things are really easy to make. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, I love you much, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, guys, bye-bye.